Hello my dear traders, today we are going to trade with you using Aroon Indicator, and of course we are going to use strategy based on technical analysis. Guys, don't forget that the indicator is just an auxiliary tool of technical analysis and it might have errors, so be sure to watch this video till the end to see what kind of situations can happen on the market and how you can work on them. Guys, today I plan to start with kind of small deposit, $31, and I plan to make around $7,000–8,000. Let's see how everything will go today. I plan to have different situations on the market today. Also, perhaps you will like the way I trade and you can definitely implement my way of trading on your own and get that profit. Today I will use 15 seconds time frame. Also, I plan to open deals for 1 or 2 minutes. Everything depends on the situation. I am super excited. I hope you also excited, guys. Let's finally start and find the first entry point. So as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend. At the same time, the red line of the indicator is located at the top. In such situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes down, because the indicator indicates that the price has a potential to go down. Also, as you can see, guys, earlier we had a breakdown of the support level, which had previously held the price quite well. Then the price touched this level again and continued to move down. So it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move down in a downtrend. Also, in this situation, I take 2 minutes to spare. Take into account that the price may fall into the correction zone or there will be an upward pullback. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, not bad at all, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move down and our deal closed below the entry point. On this deal, guys, we got the profit. Also, as you can see, the indicator has given us a good entry point for the first deal. Also, the time of the transaction was totally enough. So guys, let's continue. So, as you can see, the price is moving in an uptrend here. At the same time, we clearly have a certain level of resistance in the zone. And now the price is rolling back down. And in such situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes up. Since, as you can see, there was an intersection of the sliding lines and blue line is located at the top. There is the indicator indicates that the price has a good potential to go up. There is still a long distance from our entry point to the resistance level. At the same time, the main price lows on the chart became higher. Here we observe a certain level of compression. I think that in the near future the price will move up, and in this situation we also took time of 2 minutes with the margin. And so guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, an impulsive green candle appears on the chart and the price showed an increase. This is where we got the profit, guys. The indicator showed us a good entry point as well. Also, 2 minutes here was totally enough. So guys, let's continue. So as you can see, the price continues to move up to the resistance level. In such situation, I suggest that we immediately open a deal for 2 minutes up, because the blue line on the indicator is located at the top. This is how we understand that the price has the potential to go up. At the same time, we still have enough space to reach the market level. Also, as you can see, guys, the main price lows on the chart are still rising. So it is more likely that in the near future the price will move up and will touch the market level. Also, in this case, guys, we took time of 2 minutes with the margin, taking into account the possible correction or rollback of the price down. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great, guys, as you can see, the price is showing good growth and is already moving beyond the resistance level. Here I got a confident profit, guys. As you can see, in this situation, the indicator didn't let us down again and suggested really good entry point. The time of the transaction was totally perfect. So guys, let's continue. So as you can see, guys, we have had a breakdown of the resistance level and the price continued to move up. In such situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes up, because the blue line of the indicator is still located on the top. At the same time, as you can see earlier, the price made several attempts to break through this level, and this time that breakthrough finally happened. At the same time, the price has recently begun to move up more impulsively, mainly with the green candles. All this tells us that the price has a good potential to go up, so it is more likely that the price will continue to move up in an uptrend, guys. Also, in this situation, I took 2 minutes to spare, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Excellent, guys. So what can you see on the chart? The price continued to move up, and here we got the profit. The indicator didn't let us down and showed us a good entry point. Also, guys, 2 minutes in this situation was totally quite enough for us. Meanwhile, our initial deposit has already increased more than 10 times. That is a great result. So guys, let's continue. Here the price is moving in a downtrend. At the same time, as you can see, there has been an upward movement on the chart lately. And we still have a short distance to reach the resistance level. In such situation, we will open a deal for a minute up, guys. Because as you can see, the indicator also indicates that the price has the potential to go up. At the same time, as you can see earlier, the price bounced down from this level. So now we will probably see a reaction near this level. And just on the price movement up to this level, here we'll try to make money. And that's why we are taking 1 minute here. Take into account that after touching the resistance level, the price is more likely to rebound downwards. And let's see how our deal will close. Perfect! As you can see, the price moved according to our scenario, guys, and touched the marked level. This is where we got the profit. As you can see, the indicator was right again in this case and suggested us a really good entry point. And also the time of the transaction was perfect. Let's continue, guys. So my dear traders, as you can see below, the price having touched the resistance level made a small pullback down. In such situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes up. Because the blue line on the indicator is located at the top, also here we had a certain level of compression. All this tells us that the price has a good potential to go up, guys. And it is more likely that in the near future the price will break through this level and move up. In this situation, we also took time of 2 minutes to spare, guys. Take into account that the price can make a rebound down from the marked level, and only then it will show growth. Take into account all these movements, guys. That's why we chose such time. Let's wait for the result. Great, guys, as you can see, the price continued to move up and we had a breakdown of the resistance level. Here I got a confident profit. As you can see, the indicator didn't let us down again and suggested us an excellent entry point. Also, guys, 2 minutes was perfect enough for this situation, and let's continue, guys. As you can see, my dear traders, the price has come to the sideways. At the same time, at the moment, it touched the lower border of the sideways. In such situation, we immediately open a deal for 2 minutes up, because I think that the price will bounce up from this boundary in a sideways situation. This indicator usually works the other way around. That is, when the red line is on top, we close the deal not for a decrease, but for an increase in price. At the same time, as you can see earlier, the price from the lower limit as a rule showed good growth, so we'll be able to see such a movement now. That is, the price is more likely to move up in the near future. Also, in this situation, I took 2 minutes to spare, take into account the possible correction or pullback of the price down. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price made the pullback down, but then it returns to the lower border of the sideways again. At the same time, our deal closed above the entry point. This is how we got the profit here. Let's continue. So as you can see below, the price still made a good bounce up from the lower border of the sideways. Here I suggest guys to open a deal for a minute up, because there's still a short distance to the upper border of the sideways. At the same time, the indicator indicates that the price has the potential to go up. Also, as you can see, near the lower border of the sideways, we had a reaction earlier and the price began to move up with more impulsive, mostly green candles. At the same time, if we observe the situation on the market as a whole, then we will see that the main price lows on the chart are getting higher. So it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in an uptrend. Also, in this situation, I took time for 1 minute, since there was a short distance to the upper border of the sideways from our entry point, and let's see how our deal will close. Amazing! As you can see, the price is showing a good growth. At the same time, we have a breakdown of the upper border of the sideways. Here I get a steady profit. In this situation, guys, the indicator gave us an excellent entry point. Also, 1 minute here was just perfect for us. And so guys, let's continue. As you can see guys, after breaking through the upper border of the sideways, the price made a reversal and began to decline. At the same time, at the moment, it is moving again inside of the sideways. In such situation, I suggest opening a deal for a minute to go down. Because as you can see, there was an intersection of moving averages on the indicator. That is how we understand that the price has a good potential, guys, to go down. Also, there is still long distance to the lower border of the sideways. At the same time, as you can see, from the last price maximum, the price began to move down more impulsively, mainly with red candles. So it is more likely that the price will continue to move down in the near future. Also, in this situation, we took time of 1 minute, guys. It is taking into account that impulsive price movement, since the price can bounce up from the lower border of the sideways, so that our position is not knocked out here. That's why we took 1 minute. Guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, that's amazing. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and showed a decrease. This is where we got the profit. In this situation, the indicator suggested us a very good entry point and once again helped us to earn money. Also guys, 1 minute was just perfect for us, and as you can see, we already have $8,000 on my deposit. This is how we end our trading session for today. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to learn how you can work with Aroon Indicator. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment them down below. Also, guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. These are my trading signals. If you want to join us, guys, text me code word signal on my Telegram. All the links will be down below. Also, guys, don't forget to support my channel. Put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, I wish you to have profitable deals. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.